You are all of my joy and the greatest love of my life.
My one wish finally came true. Good morning. Why do you think it's funny? Why do you think it's funny? You drinking some milk, baby? It's pretty good. Is it pretty good? Oh goodness, guys, I wish I could send like the smell of her head to you. Yeah, it's funny. Well, I'm gonna go take care of Mabel. Horton needs to come back inside, but he's not ready. I was hoping that he would be. Mabel finished drinking her milk, and then I am going to put her down for her nap. She's due for a nap. Did I say good morning yet? Sheesh. Oh my god, I got problems. And I swear, I've switched from saying bad words to sheesh. So, that's how much I've been saying bad words not my whole life, but my whole adult life. And I hear back me saying sheesh, and I hate it. I hate it. I don't want to say it. I hate it. So, help me think of something else I can say, because it's super annoying, I'm sure, for you guys too. Hey guys. I don't know if it's allergies or whatever, but I'm having a headache day again. I swear I have these way too many. I think it's just my sinuses or something. Mabel has been having, I don't know, kind of a rough day. Just because she won't nap again. Ugh. I laid her down, and as soon as she laid down, as soon as I laid her down, she woke up again. And she's not going back to sleep. And so it's just like the last thing that I needed. When I have one of these really bad headaches and I'm getting sick to my stomach. I'm sick to my stomach. And she is just, What happened? What happened, my love? What happened, baby? How come you just got so sad? Yeah? What happened? Really? Oh, I want to show him your sore you got. She stepped on something that cut her foot. I know it. That was yesterday, I think. No, the day before yesterday, I don't know. Yeah. It was the saddest thing ever. She cried so hard. But anyway, she's being very like, get off me, get on me, get off me, get on me. And I'm just like, oh, just me having to do that much on and off. I have this headache and my stomach's sick and oh my god, my head feels like it's just gonna explode. My throat hurts. I'm just about ready to cry because of the pain. Did you see a squirrel today? Did you see a squirrel today? Is there a squirrel? She calls squirrels squirrel?
Go. Go.
What does a squirrel say?
Go.
What does a squirrel say, remember? Yeah.
Da. Da 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 da.
Doggy.
Woo woo.
Mm-hmm.
Woo 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 woo.
What does a cow say?
Woo.
Moo.
Woo.
What does a bird say?
Woo.
No. What does a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Get the flew away. Mm-hmm. What did a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Can you say tweet, 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 tweet? Yeah, that's a good job. Mm-hmm. And I'm vlogging with no pants on, but you know, I rarely have pants on when I'm home. Especially when I have a headache like this. My throat hurts so bad, guys.
Yeah.
So maybe Mama just messed up your hair and made it go crazy. I'm sorry for it. So the sun is going down. My headache started to feel better finally, and so I thought I'd take her for some outside time since we hadn't had any today. But look at oh, you can't even see. Oh, there we go. It just looks like an October sky, if that makes sense. Pretty and fall-ish. Sun's going down, but I thought we would just come outside real quick before the sun came all the way down and just get some fresh air. Because I know I need it. I am stressed out from trying to take care of her and being sick to my stomach and my head not feeling well. Our neighbors, which the house is sold, we just don't know who to, but the sign is gone. But I want to water their potato vine. It's looking pretty sad. Rocks are good fun. Yeah, rocks. Rocks. Yeah. Is it a plane? Plane? There's a plane up in the sky? Wow. It's just gorgeous out here. I love this time of night. Especially during fall and winter. It's just really, really pretty. Just having a good time outside in the rocks with my mama. Hey, sugar bug. Oh, I think Bubba just came up here real fast to protect her. Did you see that? Oh, he like dashed. Are you protecting your baby? Oh no. Yeah, oh, it's okay, Bubba. I swung around real fast. Uh-oh. Yeah. She's doing that thing. You give me this remote right here. Guess what we're getting ready to watch, guys? Are you guys familiar with, don't mind those clothes. Are you guys familiar with Miranda Sings? Well, this is her new Netflix show, Haters Back Off. We're getting ready to watch episode 1. I'm pretty excited about it. Drinking all your milks? Yeah. Haters Back Off is hilarious. Go to Netflix and watch Miranda Sings, who in real life is actually Colleen Ballinger. Oh wait, did she? I know that she's getting ready to go through. Oh, okay, I know that she's getting ready to go through a divorce. That really sucks. Announcing her divorce right before her Haters Back Off comes on. It really sucks going through that. Sheesh. Oh, I said sheesh again. I hate it. I don't want to say sheesh anymore. It sounds ridiculous and I hate it. Sheesh. Don't do it. That's a lot of milk on that face and chin. Yeah, was that milk good? What was it? Being so good. Booger? Where's the boogers? Mama. Where's the boogers at?
In your nose? Boogers?
Boogers in your nose? Yeah. Booger?
Booger?
Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk. Mama?
Yes. Oh.
She flung your hair.
Are you moving your hair so it flings like Mama?
Oh, Mama.
That's for me? Thank you. I thought you were going to honk my nose. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, 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 honk. Whoa!
Alright, let's get your diaper changed and go to bed, I said.
Are you ready to go to bed?
Yep. She's already... Hey, that was too quick. Thumbs up the vlog.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up the vlog. If you liked it.
Mabel Cherish.
She's going to get Bubba's.
We have a grown kid. Just walking around, doing stuff, saying boogers and squirrel.
Thumbs up the vlog, Maple.
Thumbs up.
There she goes.
There's a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Click subscribe.
Say, click subscribe.
If you would like to become a Maybelline.
I know.
And I want to specifically thank
Whoa.
all of our new Maybellines.
Yes.
If you knew you were a Maybelline, I mean, if you didn't know you were a Maybelline, you know now.
Yeah, that's what you're called.
That's what you. Whoa! And it's because of this little tyke. Bye bye. Oh, good night.
Kisses.
I love you. See you tomorrow. Oh. That was real
That was good
mouth
kiss, yeah.
kisses. Oh, snub her on my phone.
Usually does.
Like going to this store. Oh, you don't have the phone. You have to go to the other store. Yeah, it really is.